a bá dá 20 ọdún á pé bí a bá dá 30 ọdún á pé òní gangan lọ́jọ́ pé tí olórin ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Tanzania ìyẹn Juma Jux gbé Priscilla Ojo ọmọ Iyabo Ojo níyàwó ní ìlú Èkó lẹ́ni ọjọ́ 17 oṣù kẹrin ọdún 2025. ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn ló ti kan sáárá sí Iyabo Ojo pé ó jẹ́ kí bàbá Priscilla wá ṣe bàbá fún ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ nǹkan ẹ̀yìn ọmọ ẹ̀ tí kò rò pé àwọn ti túká látọjọ́ tó ti pẹ́. Priscilla Ojo sọ bó ṣe pàdé ọkọ rẹ̀ Juma Jux ẹ gbọ́ ohun tó sọ.
So we met in Rwanda on a business trip, and then I saw him. He saw me in the business class, but then we saw again at the hotel. He got my number. No, I gave him he gave me his number. Said I should text him. I didn't text him, but then he found his way around, got talking, and yeah, here we are today.
Congratulations, love it. That's great. A babe. Okay.
A prize.
Yes.
The first day I met him,
Wow.
it was a very different night. Like there was something different about that night. That just stuck in my head. We were at like a gathering, we're dancing, like a lot of people were there, and it was just two of us. We didn't see anybody else, and instantly we just felt a connection. I just knew that. Yes.
When you know, you know.
Yes.
Ẹ wo bí Priscilla Ojo àti àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe ń wọlé wọnú gbọ̀ngàn tó ti fẹ́ ṣègbéyàwó fún wọn àtọkọ ẹ̀. ọkọ ìyàwó àtàwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ náà wọn ò mú ní kékeré. Ẹ wo bó ṣe ń jó, ẹ wo bó ṣe rẹwà lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú aṣọ ìbílẹ̀ aṣọ òkè ilẹ̀ wa. Alága ìdúró níbi tó ti ń kọ́ Juma Jux àtàwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ bí wọ́n ṣe máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ dọ̀bálẹ̀ fẹ́ Priscilla Ojo. ọkọ Priscilla Ojo ó wá towótowó ni ó wá towótowó láti wá fẹ́ Priscilla Ojo ní ṣùlọ́kà ni. Ẹ wo béèlì owó tó gbé síta. àwa ń gbà fún Priscilla Ojo ládùúrà pé ẹ̀yìn ìyàwó ò ní mẹ́ni o, abọ́kùnrin abóbìnrin àbíyè ló máa bí lágbára Elédùà.